To remove the straps of your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is quite easy. What you need to do is turn your watch to the back, and you are going to see these buttons over here on each side. So you want to press on that button using your nail, and at the same time pull on the strap, and that it's going to come out like that. So let's do it again. You simply press down and pull. Now, if you want to reinsert the straps, you need to realign them like this. And then once they are well aligned, you simply need to push in, and you're going to hear that clicking sound, meaning that it is now logged in. Once again, let's do it like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below, and see you in the next video.